But the truth of the matter is that, do we need to really praise these people to do their responsibility? The answer is no. But again, if we know where it pinches, the reason why those people been they stand like that, we no go to understand. We were just talking as Nigerians right now. But then we see the situation, we come back. Some even say they don't even know, say then go come back alive the way they were treated. Again, they don't come back. Again, their families go celebrate. Testimonies here and there go happen on Sunday in their respective churches. Then go mount plenty security for their church right now. They no go want take things lightly. But is that the way all churches in Nigeria are being taken right now, or they are waiting for another victim? Is that the way we get all mosques intact, fully secured by security? The approach of, okay, rescue when we know say no be rescue, we know here how it take happen. Is that not the same pattern we have been following since all this while? We've lost count of all these kind of incidents. And you can't get a new result. We'll be saying that the same approach now they use to do some of this intervention. There will be no new result until when we change our approach. The victims may stay longer than expected. Unfortunately, go sweet to hear, we may get 1 or 2 casualties from the side of victims. But if we sustain this kind of real genuine rescue operation 2, 3, or 4 occasions, these people will sit tight. They don't go just because the entire country is vulnerable. If you check the entire country right now, everywhere they're vulnerable to attack, minus cities of each state. So it's no hard these guys to penetrate anywhere and launch the attack. If you are not proactive enough, if your intelligence is not strong enough for you to know, say, this attack go happen, then you should be reactive enough. Time of response should be faster than what we dey witness right now.